The presentation that we're providing is really intended to be helpful information for you, and it reflects the expert advice between me and Alan and Fran, but it is not construed to be legal or regulatory advice because depending on your specific product, some of the information could be different. So we just wanted to make sure to state that ahead of time. So the CGMPs are the systems that we use, whether it's under the drug CGMPs or device quality system regulations or the quality management system regulations. The systems that ensure that the product that we are going to be trying to market has the proper design, the proper monitoring and control of the manufacturing processes and facilities. Okay, and when it comes to combination products, those CGMPs are the framework for the minimum requirements. They're not trying to set a bar too high. They're saying these are the minimum expectations that you need to meet to assure that your product is going to be of the quality that it needs to be and safe, effective, and usable. And when it comes to combination products, that the key considerations that we have when we think about CGMPs are ensuring that the device constituent part is going to be safe and have the quality it requires, be usable and efficacious. The drug or the biological constituent part likewise needs to have all the safety and quality considerations. And when you are using that device with the drug, they need to work well together. And then finally, the user has to be able to safely, effectively, and reliably use the product to deliver their complete dose of the drug. So there was guidance that was issued for combination product CGMPs back in 2017. And there was actually Association for Advancement of Medical Instrumentation, AMI, issued an updated technical information report 48/2024 that goes through the combination product CGMPs. But basically, the long and short of it is that the constituent parts that make up the combination product retain their regulatory status. So if I've got a drug and a device constituent part in my combination product, then the regulations that apply for the drug and the regulations that apply for the device both apply when it comes to the combination of the two. The FDA in that CGMP guidance gives you an option to apply what we call a streamlined approach. And this is probably the most common approach that most companies will use when they are demonstrating their conformance to the combination product CGMP expectations. So a company is allowed to have a base CGMP operating system. It could be based on the drug CGMPs, which is 21 CFR 210-211, or it could be based on 21 CFR 820 for a device-based quality management system. Now, in our situation where we're talking about drug delivery, generally our main focus is the people that have drug combination products, drug-led combination products. They typically have a drug-based CGMP operating system. And then you have to augment that base operating system with these device called out provisions. And the whole thing is risk-based, but the things that get called out as distinctly interpreted through the lens of the device constituent part quality operating system, but considering the combination product as a whole, are the management controls, design controls, purchasing controls, and CAPA.